Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your email on Levi's. If you don't have a Levi's account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 20% off plus free shipping on your first order. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your name at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your name. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. Under Communication Settings, you will see a section for email preferences. Beside email preference is a button for unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe. Then a pop-up message will appear. To proceed, click on Unsubscribe. And now you'll no longer receive promotional emails unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Levi's promotional emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.